Hello, friends. There is an interesting announcement which has come from FPSB last week, and this is related to the final level, that is integrated financial planning. So far, what was used to be the structure and what changes they've introduced, I'll let you know. Carefully understand, बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. So earlier examination structure suggested that you have to clear the financial plan assessment, and then and only then you are allowed to write the case study based examination. But now since July 1st they have made the changes. Of course, this is well demanded and is really betterment for the student, that it is the choice of the student what they want to do first. If you wish to write case study based examination first, you can give it first and then submit your financial plan, or say financial planning assessment can be taken later on. So it is, you have to decide what is recommended. Obviously, now that is the next question you would ask, what do I recommend? See, it is very obvious that you have studied three levels, so you remember so many things. So go ahead and write the case study based examination first and then submit your financial plan assessment. Because what was used to happen with I'll share my experience, that students start preparing the financial plan, and that takes like one month plus, and then there is a long waiting period for the result. During this period, like, students tend to forget a lot, and we understand that they are cornering anything from the initial three levels, mostly Indian content, but still remembering all those things have always been a challenge for the students. So this is long awaited change. It is betterment for the entire community of the students. So take advantage of it, and do let me know if you got any further concerns. And also, like, there is a change in fees, so I'm preparing the content and I'll soon let you know about how the fees have changed from 1st July 2023, right? So do let me know if you've got any further doubts, any further video that you want from me. See you. Bye.